Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The dollar-yen price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 1.3% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The MACD's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The oil-dollar pair exploded 5% in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Oil prices climbed nearly 6% to end last week, with benchmark Brent posting its highest weekly gain since February, as investors priced in the possibility that the conflict in the Middle East could widen as Israel began ground raids inside the Gaza Strip. The Israeli-Hamas war has sharpened focus on rising geopolitical risks for financial markets, as investors wait to see if the conflict draws in other countries with the potential to drive up oil prices further and deal a fresh blow to the world economy. The yen's recent declines are driven by fundamentals and do not meet any of the considerations that would call for authorities to intervene in the currency market, a senior International Monetary Fund official said.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US monthly budget statement will be released at 1800 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The Eurozone's trade balance at 0900 hours GMT. Germany's wholesale price index will be released at 0600 hours GMT. Japan's capacity utilization at 0430 GMT. Japan's industrial production at 0430 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.